we learn solving the another model concyclic. Concyclic means 4 points lies on the same circle. Lies on the same circle. Concyclic means 4 points lies on the same circle. Here show that the points 1 comma 1 minus 6 comma 0 minus 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 8 are concyclic. In this process, first of all we find the equation of the circle passing through the any 3 points. Passing through the any 3 points. First of all, we find the equation of the circle passing through the any 3 points and show that fourth point satisfy the equation of the circle and show that fourth point satisfy the equation of the circle. So, here first of all find the equation of the circle passing through the 3 points A, B and C. A, B and C. Here A is equal to 1 comma 1, B is equal to minus 6 comma 0, C is equal to minus 2 comma 2. First of all, we find the equation of the circle passing through the 3 points. Let the required equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let the required equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. A1 comma 1 be a point lies on the circle. A1 comma 1 be a point lie on the circle. Lie on the circle 1 or circle 1 is passing through the point A1 comma 1. A1 comma 1 substitute in the equation Roman number 1. Here substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x square 1 square, y square 1 square, 2g into x 1 plus 2f into y 1 plus c is equal to 0. 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 2g into 1, 2g plus 2f into 1, 2f plus c is equal to 0. 2g plus 2f plus c 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 1. Next one, B point. B point minus 6 comma 0. Be a point lies on the circle 1. Lies on the circle 1. B minus 6 comma 0. Substitute in equation Roman number 1. X square minus 6 whole square, y square 0 square plus 2g into x minus 6 plus 2f into y 0 plus c is equal to 0. Minus 6 whole square 36, 0 square 0 plus into minus 2 6 12g plus 2 into 0 into f 0 plus c is equal to 0. Minus 12g plus c plus 36 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 2. Again C point, C minus 2 comma minus 2 comma 2. C minus 2 comma 2 be a point lies on the circle 1 or circle 1 is passing through minus 2 comma 2. Here substitute x equal to minus 2, y equal to 2 in equation Roman number 1. X square minus 2 whole square plus y square 2 square plus 2gx x equal to minus 2 plus 2f into y, y is equal to 2 plus c is equal to 0. Minus 2 whole square 4, 2 square 4 plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4g plus 2 2s are 4f plus c is equal to 0. Minus 4g plus 4f plus c, 4 plus 4, 8 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 3. Solving 1, 2 and 3 for the values g, f and c. First of all, we solve 1, 2. Eliminate c. Eliminate c from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. First one is 2g plus 2f plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. Second one is minus 12g plus c plus 36 is equal to 0. Minus 12g plus c plus 36 is equal to 0. Subtracting plus minus minus plus c minus c get cancelled. 12g plus 2g 14g plus 2f minus 36 plus 2 minus 34 is equal to 0. 2 common. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 17s are 34 is equal to 0. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 17s are 34 is equal to 0. Taking to right side 0 by something 0. 7g plus f minus 17 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 4. Condition number 4. Again solving 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Third one is minus 4g plus 4f plus c plus 8 is equal to 0. Second one is minus 12g plus c plus 36 is equal to 0. Subtracting negative, positive, positive, negative plus c minus c get cancelled. Plus 12g minus 4g 8g plus 4f minus 36 plus 8 minus 28 is equal to 0. 4 common. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 7s are 28 is equal to 0. 0 by 4 0. 2g plus f minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 5. Again solve 4 and 5. 4 and 5. From 4 and 5. From 4 and 5. Fourth one is 7g plus f minus 17 is equal to 0. Fifth one is 2g plus f minus 7 is equal to 0. Subtracting minus minus plus. Plus f minus f get cancelled. 7g minus 2g 5g minus 17 plus 7 minus 17 plus 7 minus 10 is equal to 0. 5g is equal to 10. G equal to 10 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. Therefore, G is equal to 2. G is equal to 2. G is equal to 2. Substitute in equation number 5. G is equal to 2. Substitute in equation number 5. 2G plus F minus 7 is equal to 0. 2 into G, 2 plus F minus 7 is equal to 0. 2 2 is 4 plus F minus 7 equal to 0. Plus 4 minus 7 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, F is equal to 3. F is equal to 3. G equal to 2, F equal to 3. G comma F value substitute in equation number 1, 2 or 3. Here easy process. G value, G is equal to 2, substitute in equation number 2. G is equal to 2, substitute in equation number 2. Second equation, minus 12G plus C plus 36 is equal to 0. Minus 12 into G, 2 plus C plus 36 is equal to 0. 12 2s are minus 24 plus C plus 36 is equal to 0. C minus 24 plus 36 plus 12. Therefore, C is equal to minus 12. C is equal to minus 12. Here G is equal to 2, F is equal to 3, C is equal to minus 12. Substitute in equation Roman number 1. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2g. G is equal to 2 into x plus 2f. F is equal to 3 into y plus c minus 12 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, which is the equation of the circle passing through the 3 points. Passing through the 3 points. Again, here fourth point D. Fourth point D minus 2 comma minus 8 satisfy the equation Roman number 2. Roman number 2. D point minus 2 comma minus 8 satisfy the equation number Roman number 2. Roman number 2, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12. Minus 12. X square minus 2 whole square plus y square minus 8 whole square plus 4x. X equal to minus 2 plus 6y. Y equal to minus 12. Minus 12. X square minus 2 whole square, y square minus 8 whole square plus 4 into x minus 2 plus 6 into y minus 8 minus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 2 whole square 4 minus 8 whole square 64 plus into minus 4 2s are 8 plus into minus 6 8s are 48 minus 12. 64 plus 4 68. 64 plus 4 68 minus 48 minus 12 minus 48 minus 12 minus 60 minus 60 minus 8 minus 68 plus 68 minus 68 cancel 0. Therefore, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, so here D satisfy the equation number Roman number 2. So here given points are concyclic. Therefore, the points A comma B comma C and D are concyclic. Here D point satisfy the circle equation 2. D point satisfy the circle equation 2. So here given points 4 points are concyclic. Thank you.